In today's video, we're going to learn how to use the library catalog. We're going to go to the Greensboro College Library homepage, and we're going to scroll down to search the catalog. Now, we could just put our search terms in the box here. However, I encourage all students to use the advanced search, which can be found up here on the left-hand side or down below the green search button. So we'll select Advanced Search. The first term we're going to use is cats. And the second term on the second line, we're going to use happiness. Now, as you can see here, the search index was on title. You would use title if you're looking for the name of a book or a journal. You can also use subject, which would be the subject happiness. I'm going to use another keyword. So we have two keywords, cats and happiness. Then we're going to go to the operator, and we have a choice of three, and, or, and not. With and, we're going to search for cats and happiness. If we select or, we're going to find cats or happiness. And with not, we're going to do cats but not happiness. So I'm going to leave it on end, and we'll be searching for cats and happiness. And then we select search, and this is what we come up with. For any more information, contact the library. Thank you.